Hi guys, I hope that you're very well. It's Sylvana here and I am back for a new video on the Jewels and Gems YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I just wanted to talk about a new crystal, the beautiful, the vibrant, earthy, beautiful mookaite. Yes, I know it's a funny name, mookaite. Mookaite is a crystal we're going to talk about today. So we're going to cover everything there is for you to know about mookaite. I'm going to explain the different properties, uses, meanings associated with mookaite. Yeah, pretty much cover everything there is for you to know about this beautiful crystal. And I will show you some examples so you can kind of see for your own eyes how it looks. And we're going to talk about the zodiac signs that are associated with mookaite, and as well the chakra healing side of everything, like we always do. So mookaite is, I'm going to show you now. First I'm going to show you some tumblestones because it's going to be very interesting for you to see those. Mookaite is a crystal that's associated with Mother Earth. It really has that very potent Mother Earth energy to allow us to ground ourselves, heal ourselves, center ourselves through the earth and its beautiful healing vibrations. And the other thing about it is that this makes mookaite a great crystal for everybody, regardless of where you are in your journey, and very much so about healing and boosting that sense of personal power, willpower, inner strength, and give us the courage and you know, the power to really make big changes in our lives, to do those you know, moves, and to dare to make big decisions. So I'm going to show you some mookaite first, just to show you. So here we have three tumblestones of mookaite. They are the same. Yes, I know they're different colors. You might not think for a second, but this is mookaite. This is mookaite. And this is also mookaite. I know, crazy, right? It's all the same. What happens is that mookaite is a type of jasper, you know, that can be found in Australia, and you know, it can combine different colors. You'll see a lot of beautiful mixes of very earthy tones. And you know, I'm going to show you as well some jewelry here, pieces with bigger pieces of mookaite, so you can really see for yourself. But yeah, these would all be mookaite. I know, it's crazy. Mookaite has been associated with royalty for a long time. And the thing about it is that it's been popular maybe from the 12th century, something like that, which I think is crazy, you know. And Germans were big into it, and they used to give it a lot of physical benefits, you know. And they would, for example, do elixirs with it and drink the elixirs. They would really work with it, as in, you know, different ways like that. But nowadays, you know, mookaite will be more so associated with the fact that it's a very stable and grounding crystal, so great for this type of energy, you know. And I'm going to show you a pendant. That's a beautiful, huge pendant. Look at that. That is mookaite. You can see the different mixes of colors. It's just incredible. What I love about mookaite is that it just doesn't only resonate with the root chakra, but also the sacral chakra and the solar plexus chakra. So it's great for all those lower chakras and making sure they all work with one another. So obviously it's going to be that sense of grounding, protection, but also confidence, creativity, balanced emotions, motivation, you know, willingness to get moving and to get things done. And yeah, that's what it reminds me of as well. I'm going to show you another one just to show you, and I have here a different one here. You can see how the two colors mix up so well together. Such beautiful shades this mookaite has. it's what I find very interesting about it is that it's all about creating emotional balance with Mookaite. It resonates with that idea of supporting you, of creating that calm and stable frame of mind, to really allow you to get rid of those negative thought patterns, negative experiences, anything negative you might have experienced that is just holding you back, and really push instead that sense of willpower, that sense of confidence, of willingness to achieve new things and accept change and move on, and you know, take the chance of, you know, doing what you truly want without the fear of what could happen, without, you know, without any of those negative feelings that could hold you back. And it's great to really give us a different perspective on life and on everything. You know, it's about inviting you. Mookaite is about inviting you to choose the right path, the right way to do things. You know, it has that very powerful motivation energy. You know, it's kind of leading you to seek these new opportunities, because obviously the more motivated you're going to be, the more open-minded you're going to be through Mookaite, and you know, the less fearful you're going to be, the more adventurous you might become. And that is another thing that is very much so about Mookaite, is it really resonates with that sense of adventure. You know, it's the stone, it's that stone that's about pushing you to dare to do things, and yeah, just listening to your heart, and yeah, just proving you, showing you that anything in life is possible. You just have to believe in it and do your best. I'm going to show you a different piece here, and it's great to choose. It's great to work with if you're someone that's kind of indecisive in nature, I think, and you know, or that you know that the decisions you might take might lead to some difficulties or conflicts, and just to give you the reassurance and the stability to just still trust your gut feeling. But at the same time, you know, it really is about, Mookaite also supports us in not really worrying as to what's going to happen, and to really take that chance, that opportunity right now, accept whatever is going to happen, be, you know, be willing, be accepting, and being aware of, you know, everything, but still going for it, because we know deep down that that's the best thing we can do, and that it can lead to so much more. Very much so, as you can tell, a stone of the adventurer, you know. And as we said, it's great for the root chakra, obviously very grounding, protective, as well as the sacral chakra. So definitely going to be that energy of creativity, passion, motivation. And at the same time, you can see it also holds a beautiful energy that resonates with the solar plexus chakra. So very much so about that self-confidence, self-awareness, that sense of you know, willpower, and you know, manifesting energy. It's a great crystal for that. And it's as we said, Mookaite is a form of jasper that can be found in Australia, Western Australia to be more specific. And what I really love about Mookaite is that it is you know, it's an Australian Aboriginal Mother Earth stone that is becoming like more and more popular around the world, especially in the field of connecting with Mother Earth and positive earth healing energies. And that makes Mookaite such a beautiful, beautiful stone, amazing stone. And as we said, it's we have to talk as well about the zodiac signs. So the zodiac signs associated with Mookaite would usually be Virgo, Scorpio. It works very well for the two of them because Virgo needs sometimes a little bit of that push, because Virgo needs to overthink a lot of things. So the Virgo, she needs to have that sense that, okay, let's not think for a moment, let's just go for it. And then Scorpio, you know, Scorpio is you know, is all about going deep and diving deep into everything. And you can see how Mookaite can really embody this. By being an adventurer, you kind of dive deep into the unknown, and that could be something that potentially for our Scorpio friends could be very beneficial for them, you know, to get them to achieve what they're meant to do, which is diving deep and going in deep into whatever is calling them. And then last but not least, which is why we're talking about it today, you have guessed it, Aries. It is a great crystal for Aries, because, you know, it has that sense of you know, like having the courage to seek adventure is something that I suppose Aries would normally tend to be into. It's part of their identity, and that's why I feel that Mookaite can really benefit a lot of Aries people out there that sometimes might feel like they're losing a little bit of that spark, or they're starting to slow down, or, you know. And what I love about it for Aries is that sometimes the emotions can be overwhelming and a bit too fiery, and they need to be grounded and calm down. And that's something that Mookaite can do in a very earthy and grounding and beautiful way. It's about, you know, going beneath the surface of all those emotions and just find the core issues to what is really causing a problem, and just clearing it out and creating that clear and stable frame of mind that Aries needs to keep staying on top of their game and to keep being the, you know, the best versions of themselves. So you can see how you know, it all makes sense. You know, they all work very well. And then of course, again guys, this is just me giving you know, my personal recommendations. You do not have to have any of those zodiac signs in your birth chart to actually even go for Mookaite. You can go for Mookaite just if you feel that it's a stone that resonates with you, and that you know, this energy is what's calling you, really. That is, to be honest, the most important. And if you're into meditation, as you know, I love to recommend affirmations to work with crystals, as I believe this is a wonderful way to connect with your crystals and to deepen even more you know, your practice. Definitely consider working with Mookaite. If I was to give you an idea of an affirmation that works very well if you're working with Mookaite crystal, it would be something like, beauty is everywhere if I stop and look. Because that is the truth, you know, we sometimes forget the importance of that. And Mookaite is here to remind us that everything is beautiful. I mean, that is a work of art, and it's a work of Mother Nature. And this is a perfect proof that beauty is everywhere, but it's for us to take the time to look at it, appreciate it, and connect with it. And then magical things can happen. So yeah, you know, that would be more so it about Mookaite. I think we've covered pretty much everything about it. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video about the beautiful Mookaite. If you like the jewelry pieces you've seen, you can find them all as well on our website, jewelsandgems.shop, along with many more. You can find it all there. And please let me know in the comment section below, guys, what do you think about Mookaite crystal? Is it something that you know about? Have you ever heard about it before? And if not, let me know too. And what you think about it. I would also love to know what are your thoughts on the beautiful Mookaite jasper. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up. It always helps and shows me that you're enjoying this content and gives me ideas as to what to do next on this YouTube channel. And I wish you all a beautiful, wonderful day. And please don't forget to trust your intuition and do something positive for yourself today, because you absolutely deserve it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. See you soon.